Thanks so much for joining us. There are worries about a possible cancer cluster centered in the Rath Building. News 4's Dave Graber is looking into the issue. Dave?
Well, Christy, shortly after our report about bed bugs being found at the Rath Building and the county's efforts to have them exterminated, I received a copy of a fax that was sent to the Department of Labor earlier this summer. Now, the letter asked the state to look into whether the building was housing bed bugs, but also about whether it was the cause of cancer in multiple people.
Apparently, it happened in July of 2016. We in the legislature were never notified. Nobody told us. Nobody I've even talked to about it works in the Rath Building had any idea something like this was going on.
Erie County's Legislative Majority Leader, Joseph Larigo, is referring to this report, the result of an anonymous fax that was sent to the State Department of Labor, asking them to look into a possible cancer cluster at the Rath Building downtown.
The reality is they didn't tell us. They didn't tell other people. Right. You know, people that are coming and going from that building need to know that there are potential health hazards.
The letter asked the county to conduct its own study, specifically regarding multiple cases of cancer, and then return their findings with supporting documentation to the Department of Labor. The study, which was done by the Public Employee Safety Health Bureau, or PESH, included air sampling and consultations on various dates in August. Helping with that test were representatives from the building's largest union, CSEA.
Well, we want to make sure our members are working in a safe environment. We want to make sure that when they go to work, nothing's going to happen. I was a little concerned, but then with discussing it, there has to be so many people with the same type of cancer in the area for it to be considered a cancer cluster.
The test determined the air was clean at the Rath. Specifically, CO2 and dust levels were well within limits, and that any existing asbestos was safe. In fact, no hazards were identified in the test. However, this study also said the question about whether a cancer cluster exists can only be answered by a more extensive study that's beyond the scope and expertise of PESH. Now, we are waiting to hear from the Department of Labor about whether that study fulfilled their obligation to look into this matter. Meanwhile, the information contained in that study, as well as responses from the county, are expected to be added to the books during the legislature's next regular meeting on January 26th. It will then be a topic of the Health and Safety Committee when they meet next on February 2nd. Live in the studio, Dave Graber, News 4 at 5:30.